Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Tutorials, where I provide you with daily tech tips and helpful guides. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your login errors in Telegram. First, make sure you have a good internet connection and it's working properly. Now there are two ways you can fix your login errors on Telegram. First is by updating the app. To update the app, go to the App Store. Now tap on Search option on the bottom right, and then tap on the search bar. Now type in Telegram and then tap search. Now if you haven't updated the app yet, there will be an update button right next to Telegram Messenger. Tap on the update button, and once the update is completed, check if the login error still exists. If it still does, then go back, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and now scroll down until you find Telegram. Once you find it, tap on it, tap on offload app, tap on it again, and then tap on reinstall app. As you can see here, Telegram is being reinstalled into my phone. Wait for it to finish. Once the app is reinstalled, check if the login error still exists. If it still does, then try restarting your phone and try again. And that is it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides just like this.